Welcome back to Mike's Wood Shop. Today's video is going to be sponsored by FastCap. Paul graciously donated this KISS drill bit system to my shop. It is based off his lean manufacturing. Each row is color coordinated with the top of the bit. So it's easy to put back, it's easy to grab, keep everything organized. It's a great addition. I had designed a cabinet to house the KISS drill bit system at the top drawer, and the rest of the three just for the odds and ends that happen to find its way over to the drill press. Keep everything organized and neat. It would be housed at the base of my drill press. And if you want to see how you can get these plans, stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, so in the plans I actually have a cut list. I also put a layout on a 4x8 sheet of plywood. I used my last piece the other day on a project, so I have a lot of offcuts and I have 2 half sheets laying around. I'm going to piece mine together, but you can go by the cut diagram and make your life a lot easier. Okay, now that everything's cut and labeled, I will start drilling pocket holes and everything, and then we'll come back and put it all together. Okay, the frame is now put together. What we're going to do is put together the drawers, have them slide in, make sure everything fits, install the drawer slides, and then we'll work on the drawer fronts. All right, so here's the test test of my skills at SketchUp. Will this fit? Over under? Anybody? Fun part. Getting it in. Sweet. What I think I'm gonna do is I might put a block in the bottom here just to lift this up, because angled down I kind of could see, you know, it's gonna be down here, so I could look straight down, but being on an angle up, you know, I think it'll be better. So we'll see. So I recessed the screw head in the drawer front so that it is flush. I probably could have marked out where it was here and then recessed it here. Either way, it doesn't, I still have to do that. And the reason being is these screws are not, they're only 1 1/8", I think. So be really tight to drill through and do a full inch. So only 1/8 would be in the actual handle. So you get bigger screws, I guess, if you want, but in my case, this is what I'm doing. All right, so first drawer is done. Work on the next three. So I'm putting on my raincoat because I have to go somewhere in a little bit and I don't feel like having to change myself again. But I'm doing the sanding. Alright, so the original plan was not to have casters on here. It was to just mount the cabinet to the base of the drill press. But then I was thinking, you know, all scenarios. I will have just an extra page in there just stating, you know, adding a second piece of wood to the base. Because in order to mount the wheels, this is only a 1/2 inch that I'm using. I didn't feel comfortable using a 1/2 inch screw just into the plywood. So I'm going to glue this 3/4 piece onto the base, and then I'll be using an 1.25 inch Craig screw in order to mount these wheels to the bottom of the cabinet. Now we'll just start filling it. Alright, so I did prop this up just a little bit, just so that I'm not looking on a little bit of an angle. I could see straight down. All these other drawers, I'm just going to start filling up now. So as you can see, fits perfect right here. I will have to do a little bit of organizing. I didn't want to make this too tall. I will have to, this drawer is perfect. The KISS drill bit system sits in there perfectly. These do not fit standing up. I didn't take into account that because I really didn't know if I was going to keep these, but why throw them out, right? So I'll probably be making a different holder for them. For the time being, they're in there on an angle, and everything else looks good. This is just like a catch-all right now, but at least it's not on the floor. At least it won't have sawdust all over it. I say this is complete. If you would like plans, please check out my website. I will leave a link down in the description below. Hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that you like the project. Leave a comment down below. I will respond to you. Hit that subscribe button along with the bell, and you will be notified as soon as I put out a new video. And as always, be safe. I couldn't say thumbs up button. But then did you? Hey, doesn't this sound like an old video game? Hey Patrick, when I put this video out for this drill press cabinet, I'm going to mention you that you helped me do this. I hope that you share this video. Yes, you did. Yes, with the drill press cabinet, yes, you did. It was the first plans we started. Oh, okay, fine then. I won't mention you.